Hi there, welcome to class. I'm Miss Faust. Welcome. Please make sure you have paper available and a pen or pencil. Yes, we have a project for today. Just for today. So it's a quick project. I think you'll enjoy it. So if you come on and follow me over to the board, I can share the assignment instructions with you. Okay, so this is going to be a review of 3 stories. Okay, yes, a review. It's a matter of let's go over several stories that we've covered this school year. Okay, so that's what this is about. So your assignment is the following. I need you to choose one of the following stories: Connell's The Most Dangerous Game, or Ruby Dee's Aunt Sorletha, or Collier's Marigolds. So you have a choice. You could pick one of those 3 stories to work on. Okay? Or I should say to work with. Alright. So what you're going to do is the following. You're going to create a cartoon. Yes, a cartoon based on your chosen story. Now, the cartoon should include 6 to 8 boxes. Yes, I call them boxes. Example. Let me pull it from here. Okay, here's a cartoon. Actually, there's 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, the top one is called Beetle Bailey. And see how there are boxes? Okay, so it's the title, right? And it starts here and goes down to here. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about. For example, Beetle Bailey. Ah, that's it. A stroke of genius. What are you working on? A Rube Goldberg invention. So on and so on and so on. So that's what I'm talking about. This is what we mean with cartoons. Okay. All right. So down here, for example, we have, you basically live at school. Do you know everything? Of course not, says the teacher. Of course not. Learning doesn't end with graduation. It's something you continue doing your whole life. And here is the gal with her friend. Today, I learned the most terrible thing. Okay. So that's what I mean with a cartoon and boxes. So I need you to come up with one of those 3. Choose whichever. Doesn't matter. You might look at the one that you're really good with. You know, I'm talking about the story. You really understood it, and you know the plot really well, and so on and so on. And lend itself wonderfully to a cartoon. Then make sure that you have the title. Okay. Says include the story's title, so you would write perhaps The Most Dangerous Game, and then you start your boxes. Now, quite often, and with these cartoons, you know, if I read the whole cartoon, this Beetle Bailey one, they are funny. Even the one with the little girl and the teacher. Yeah, the teacher saying, yeah, it doesn't end when you graduate. So you're graduating from high school. You think learning just ends right there. No, it's a lifelong process. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's a terrible thing. Yeah, that you learn. So, in a sense, you might say that's funny, but it doesn't have to be funny. There are cartoons that are not necessarily funny, that might be very factual, might just share information. They're just deep in thought. So you might be thinking, well, wait a minute, there wasn't anything funny in any of those stories. That's fine. It doesn't have to be funny. Just because it's a cartoon does not mean, oh my gosh, it's got to be funny. It's got to be a Beetle Bailey. Okay? It's got to be one of those. No, it does not have to be funny. Think of a cartoon as a type of writing format. Instead of writing a story, I'm asking you to do the cartoon version of one of those 3 stories. Does that make sense? It does? Fantastic. Now, if you're sitting there going, oh, I still don't quite get it, let me know. Email me, and I'll help you out. Again, just think of what I'm holding right here. These are cartoons. These are the boxes that I'm talking. I call them boxes. Silly me, huh? But this is what I'm talking about. Okay, does that make sense? All right? Okay. So you're going to create one of these, a cartoon, obviously, based on one of those stories. And again, forget it. There has to be no laughing. And I don't think there's any laughing with any of these, is there? They're really, they really make a deep point, and there's nothing really to laugh about. Destroying marigolds, not understanding a woman who boards with you in your boarding house, okay, and then hunting, the hunter becoming the hunted. Okay. But you can turn it into a cartoon. It's just another way to convey something that you read. Instead of my telling you, now you do your story version of that story. I could do that. I think this would be much more fun. So use a blank sheet of paper. Please don't use lined. Just try to stay away from it. But if you have nothing else, okay. And I'd like you to use color. Yes, these are cartoons. Sorry, my printer, I don't have color, cartridges or anything like that. But they were in color. At least the top one. So use color, and do not forget the story style. I don't want to have to guess. In box 1, oh, that's most dangerous. Oh no, wait, that's answer Letha. Okay, got it. Okay. Anything else? Do you have any thoughts, questions, concerns? Nope. You're all set. You can do this. All right, that's great. Because I'm going to add one more thing. You're going, thanks, Miss Mouse, that's great. Oh, simple. Do you like Italian pasta? Please make sure that when you turn in your cartoon version of one of these stories, that you also let me know if you like Italian pasta. Just think manicotti, okay? Spaghetti, lasagna, all that wonderful pasta. All right. Okay, so I'm going to leave you with that. Let me put this back up here. That is your assignment for today. Yes, it is due today. So as soon as you're done with the cartoon, and again, if you are having some problems, some concerns with doing this assignment, let me know. Otherwise, send everything, the cartoon, along with the answer to this question, to me today. And I wish you a fantastic day. Till next class period, take care and bye-bye.